Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for February 24 to March 2, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see, Libra, anong ganap? Feb 24 to March 2. Orca records. So, some of you, maaaring meron kayong ayusing mga paperworks, requirements, mga papeles. Can be any, kahit anong papeles to. Pwedeng sa business mo, permits, or requirements mo sa trabaho mo. Or mag-organize ka ng mga importanteng dokumento, no? Yung iba naman, this can be something spiritual sa inyo. Maaring magkukonsulta kayo sa isang yung nagpa-past life regression na chine-check yung inyong Akashic records, yung past life ninyo. Kung ano yung life ninyo in your past lives. So, some of you, maaring hindi naman kayo into spirituality, but it seems like parang meron kang binabalikan na mga nangyari sa'yo in the past dahil meron kang gustong alamin. So, pwedeng yung iba, let's say, babalik ka sa probinsya para hanapin yung mga importanteng papeles, dokumento dahil meron kang asikasuhin. Let's say, pag-abroad, no? You have Buffalo Abundance. Wow, ang ganda. So, this is about having the things that you need, resources that you need. So, everything na kailangan mo this week, it will be provided para sa'yo. You also have Monkey, which is about humor. So, puro blue yung energy ninyo. Oo, blue is about communication. This is about learning. So, maaaring yung iba sa inyo may mga pag-aaralan kayo. Iba, kaya may inaayos kayong records is because mag-aaral kayo or mag-a-apply kayo ng work. Kaya hinahanap nyo or inaayos nyo yung inyong mga school records. And some of you will also have fun or you will enjoy a company ng isang kaibigan or someone in your life na talagang nag-i-inspire sa'yo, yung parang masarap kasama, no? So, you will be parang light-hearted ka ngayon na hindi mo hinahayaan na ma-stress ka. Oo. Let's see your overall energy. You have the Four of Cups. Four of Cups is discontentment. So, yung iba sa inyo, Libra, parang feeling nyo may kulang or meron kayong kailangan pang i-improve sa inyong sarili, sa situation ninyo. Can be sa inyong physical self o kaya sa career, sa trabaho nyo. Kaya lang, maaring meron kayong hindi napapansin na opportunity dahil nakafocus kayo sa wala. Sa kung ano yung wala sa inyo. Oo. So, might as well count your blessings kasi pag grateful ka at alam mo kung ano yung mga blessings na meron ka, mas maa-attract mo yung mga gusto mo, 'di ba? Yung mga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. So, your challenge is the Ten of Wands. Maaring maraming kailangang ayusin, asikasuhin, trabahuhin. Ngayong week na to, maraming responsibilities. Kaya I think my humor dito is parang yan yung way mo to de-stress, no? Magtanggal ng stress. Yung baka manonood ka ng comedy na movie or a show that will really help you na makapag-unwind. Your opportunity is the Three of Cups. Oh, meron ditong celebration. Maaring meron kang achievement this week. Meron kang matatapos na trabaho or meron kang ma-accomplish na task, requirements, maaayos mo na. Yung iba sa inyo, this is a celebration of your can be career, no? Meron kang napatunayan sa trabaho or sa business mo. And this is also an opportunity for you to go out with friends, hang out with them, Lalo na kung sila yung nagpapasaya talaga sa'yo. Kasi may mga ganun grupo ng kaibigan na parang sila yung nag-brighten up ng day mo. And then your blessing is the Ace of Cups. This is happiness. Okay, you have the blessings of happiness. This is also a new relationship. So, new romantic partner. Pwedeng merong, for some of you, if you want to have a relationship, pwedeng merong ngayon, potential. Merong potential na magkaroon or magsimula ang isang relationship sa inyo. This can also mean a new source of happiness. Ano ba yung mga bagay na magpapasaya sa'yo? 'Di ba? Kahit ano pa yan. Gamit, peace of mind, or a person sa buhay mo. You have letter. Oh, okay. So, merong surprise letter from a place na malayo. So, pwedeng meron ka marireceive na message. Hindi naman to necessarily na yung sa post, no? Sa post office. Pwede tong message kayo sa messenger, sa text, ganyan. A very important message. Pwede ring merong magandang balita galing sa isang kaibigan na malayo sa'yo. You have mice. This is about treasure. Alam nyo, kailangan yung pag-ingatan yung pera nyo or gamit nyo, no? Kasi baka ma-misplace nyo or mawala or may kumuha. Okay? So, maging aware ka sa paligid mo palagi. So, energy ng lady. This is charming. A charming person. So, maaring person mo to or ikaw to. Maaring ito yung it's either this is your best friend or ito yung person na meron kang marireceive na importanteng mensahe galing sa kanya. Let's see your money, career, finances, assets. Your investments are growing. Oh, yung mga iba sa inyo na nag-invest sa stock market or sa mga ano ba yung sa mga bangko na mas mataas yung yung interest niya, ganyan. Or pwedeng any investment na meron kayo, nakikita nyo na yung interest or yung income nyo dyan, na pwedeng real estate, pinapaupahan nyo, 'di ba? So it's earning extra for you. Sa love life, you have passion. So some of you are going to have a passionate relationship with someone, or ngayon ikaw ay talagang in love sa person na to. Oo. So pwedeng you are going to express your feelings for someone in a passionate way. 'Di ba? Swan, a tranquil spirit comes with accepting inner dichotomy. Yung dichotomy is yung pagkakaiba-iba natin, 'di ba? Sabi nga yung iba opposites attract, ganyan. So yung iba sa inyo you will be in a situation na kahit may pagkakaiba kayo, nagkakasundo pa rin kayo. Ganon. Kasi you respect each other's uniqueness. Ayan. So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.